Hello and welcome back. On the board today, 2 and 2 over 5 divided by 1 and 1 over 5 multiplied by 2 and a half. Just a quick bit of housekeeping before we start. If you like our video and our channel, dropping a like and subscribing is the biggest way you can support the channel. Feel free to share it with your study group too. Okay, now let's solve this. Before we calculate anything, beware of the trap at the end of this chain. The multiplications looks incredibly tempting because the numbers cancel out so beautifully. But if you do the multiplication first, you're going to get the wrong answer. Multiplication and division are equal partner, so we must process them strictly left to right. To solve our problem, we have to convert our mixed numbers to improper fractions, step by step. Let's take 2 and 2 over 5. Multiply the whole number 2 by the denominator 5, that's 10. Then add the numerator 2, equals 12. So it becomes 12 over 5. Next, 1 and 1 over 5. 1 times 5 is 5, plus 1 is 6. 6 over 5. And 2 and a half. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5. 5 halves. Our chain is now 12 over 5 divided by 6 over 5 multiplied by 5 halves. First operation, 12 over 5 divided by 6 over 5. Remember, keep chain flip. 12 over 5 times 5, 6. The 5's cancel out completely, and 12 over 6 is exactly 2. Very clean. Next, we multiply our 2 by 5 halves. 2 times 5 is 10 over 2. 10 halves is exactly 5. Okay, remember, never jump ahead just because the numbers look friendly or cancel out easily. Left to right every single time. Now your turn. On the screen, 3 and 3/4 divided by 1 and a half multiplied by 2 and 2 over 5. Same trap, different numbers. Drop your answer in the comment. I'll pin the correct one. If you would like to watch other videos on fraction operations, please check the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.